All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you a number of different questions and you got to reply. Yes.
Who was your favorite teacher when you were young?
When I was young, I have so many favorite teachers. I had so many favorite teachers, but most one of them was my most favorite teacher, who was our physics teacher, because I love physics and I love to the teaching method of that teacher. So to conclude my answer, I would love to say that I love my physics teacher.
Very good. That's right. Let's go on.
Do you want to be a teacher?
No, I don't want to be a teacher because I think I'm not that much responsible and that much keen to my to this thing. So I don't think I am ever be going to go.
Okay,
to this
I'm
field.
not keen on this profession, so I don't think I'm going to be a good teacher. Therefore,
yes.
I wouldn't like to become a teacher. Good. One more.
Have you ever had a bad teacher?
Yes, I oftenly had a bad teacher. I think I am a very friendly person, and I love the teachers who have a good teaching method with their fun activities. And because I am not good at my arts, so
This answer is irrelevant. Have you ever had a bad teacher?
Okay.
So yes, once when I was in class 9th, we used to have our maths teacher, and he was very dry and sometimes very rude. He often punished the students, and in his class, I was always scared of him. So to answer your question, in my 9th class, my maths teacher was, I didn't like him that much. Something like that. And respect should be there as well.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, absolutely. So overall, it's good. Arrange your answers. And for unusual question, you should be ready.
Yes.
If you don't know the answer, for example, have you ever had bad teachers? Say, no, not at all. I respect all my teachers and I've never got any bad teacher. And I think the word bad should not be attached with teacher. Teachers are so respectable in our society.
Yeah.
So to answer your question, I've never got any. Yeah, something like this. Play like this, okay? Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.